Hi friends, I'm Ilona and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple pendant with a coin bead. So it's pretty versatile. You can basically experiment and twist the wires the way you want, just go wild. I made many similar designs before, so yeah, I'm just going to show you how to make this one, and after that feel free to experiment. Let's get going. So I'm starting with a piece of wire. I have 21 gauge, I think it is, square wire, and it's about 10 inches long, and my bead is 1 inch, 1 inch in diameter. So let's see what happens. I'm going to put it on, and so I want the bottom bit, like the bit that's coming out on this side, be much shorter than the top. And I'm going to start, let's see, this should be enough, I think. So I'm just gonna grab this here over the top and make a bend. And now I can remove this, but at least now I know where my bail is going to be. And I'm just going to make a little loop here. I know there's a like weird bit here, but it's a part of a tripod and there's nothing I can do about it for now. Anyway, so I'll make that loop. Just go wrap a couple of times around, like so. And I'll put the bead back on. Let's see what happens now. Basically, feel free to experiment. I'm just gonna show you what I do. Let's start swirling. So I'm holding it where I want the curve to be, and I start twisting. Bring it here, let's say. And let's do, oh, you can probably hear my dog licking his paws. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, so let's do another twist here. Bring it to the back and leave it there for now. Now bring this guy up and start twisting. And what are we going to do? Let's do one here. And go like this. So now I'm going to take a little piece of 28 gauge and tie them together here. As always, I want I'm going to use the figure-8 weave because that's just what I prefer using. So I'm just gonna tie these together. Okay, so I tie them together, but I'm gonna keep this length here in case I want to attach here. I know it's not super clear here, there, just, yeah. Anyway, so I've got this bit on the back, and since I don't have anything here to attach to, I'm going to bring it up, like towards the bail. To bring it towards the bail, just holding it here so it doesn't move much. And like so. See, I'm just pulling it up, but I'm holding it. And I'm going to move this a little bit. Just separate them. Bring this through. And wrap around the bail a couple of times. Okay, and now I'm going to take this one and loop it. Do I want to tie it? Let's just do once, why not? Looks too much, so I'm gonna trim this end. Yeah, this is it. You can experiment with the same technique, like see. And I'm just going to attach a bail from the tutorial I had before. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.